Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by changing the Flutter project identity at the source. Open Android Studio in Project View and edit PubSpec. YAML immediately. Change the top-level name to the new project name, then save and run Flutter Pub-Get to ensure dependencies remain intact. Once done, close Android Studio before renaming the project folder on disk. This prevents cache conflicts. Make sure the folder name and PubSpec name match, because Flutter tooling and packages rely on that single canonical project name. Now refactor the Android side identifiers inside Android Studio. Open the Android module in Android View, find the Java or Kotlin package, then use refactor right arrow rename to change package segments step by step. Update app/build. Gradle application ID to the new bundle ID so play-compatible naming matches. Once renamed, inspect Android manifest. XML and main activity for updated package declarations, and ensure directory names under src/main/java or Kotlin match the new package. These coordinated changes finish by updating the user-facing name, edit res/values/strings, XML app name so the launcher shows the new label, and replace icons if necessary. Then run Flutter Clean and Flutter Pub-Get, reopen Android Studio, and rebuild the app. Run it on an emulator or device to confirm everything starts. If you hit Gradle sync errors or unresolved symbols, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio, then recheck that the application ID, package declarations, and folder hierarchy are fully consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.